Let's just jump in. So, all right, Sean. Well, let's just start here. Why do you think it is important to invest in your team and to invest in training, especially in 2020?
Well, from my standpoint, we've kind of underpinned the company under three pillars. We're trying to be operationally excellent. We're trying to be the pinnacle of customer service, and we're trying to be the best place to work. So I don't think that it's possible to achieve any of those goals without a solid foundation of team members who are trained and aligned and engaged. And to be a pinnacle of customer service, you can't have one foot in that. It's like safety. Either you're in it or you're not. And you can't do it without an engaged team and a trained team that's aligned and gelling together with all the pistons working. So I think, employee development and career pathing is something that we take very seriously, investing in our team, and people will buy from the best. So we're trying to be the best on every front.
Awesome. Thank you.